ठीक है। As there was a definition of parabola, which was set of points which are at equal distance from two things. What are the two things? One point which is focus and one line which is direct. Right? In the same way, ellipse is a set of points. Ellipse is also a set of points. The sum of whose distances from two fixed points called as the two focuses, plural foci, right? The sum of whose distances from two fixed points is constant. The value of that constant is 2a, called as the length of the major axis. सोचो, गया वो मेरा भाई गया, गिर ही जाएगा वो। नहीं ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड। तो क्या करना चाहिए, क्या रेमेडी है अपने पास? तो रात को लेट सो रहा है या सुबह जल्दी उठ रहा है? क्यों? सर पीछे ही बैठे। देखो दोस्त, ये मान लिया दो फोकस है, ठीक है? चलो, इस फोकस से 3 यूनिट डिस्टेंस पे और इस फोकस से 7 यूनिट डिस्टेंस पर एक पॉइंट है। तो टोटल सम ऑफ डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ? 7। सिमिलरली यहाँ से भी 5 और यहाँ से भी 5, सम कितना हुआ? 10। क्लियर? चमका? श्योर? यहाँ से 4, यहाँ से 6, चमका? सो अगर मैं इन सारे पॉइंट्स को ऐसे कनेक्ट करता हूँ तो क्या मुझे एलिप्स मिल रहा है, दिख रहा है? अरे हाँ है ना? क्लियर? So set of points, the sum of whose distance from two fixed point. एक्टिविटी की होगी 11th ग्रेड में, 2 पिन लगा के धागा बांधा होगा। कैसे झूठ बोल देते हैं?
एक्टिविटी पढ़ा है और लिखा है।
तो क्यों लिखा? तुम्हारी गलती है ससुरे। अरे तो उसमें क्या है, जब लिखा था तो ऐसे 2 पिन कहीं वैसे दीवारें गंदी करते रहोगे, 2 पिन नहीं लगा सकते थे।
अल्लाह नहीं है सर।
चलो तो ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? द स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ एन एलिप्स इज, ठीक है, x minus h upon a square plus y minus k upon b square equal to 1. इस स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन में माय डियर फ्रेंड you can very well see h comma k. Yes or no? H comma k is the center of the ellipse. Clear? Sure? ठीक है? We always consider a is greater than b, implies that this ellipse will look like stretched along the x-axis. Clear? Sure? If the denominator of y is bada, then the ellipse will look like stretched along the y-axis. समझ गया? Sure? Though ellipse can be anywhere, right? But in our syllabus we will be only dealing with ellipse which are stretched either along the x-axis or along the y-axis. Clear or not? मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया, either along the x-axis or along the y-axis. Clear? Sure? Clear? तो हमें जनरल इक्वेशन मिलेगी। क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा? श्योर? ठीक है? x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 16y minus 64 equal to 0. Why is this an equation of ellipse? Why this is an equation of ellipse? X square and y square are visible. Their coefficients are unequal, but both are positive. Clear or not? Sure. Hence, this is an equation of ellipse. बहुत आराम से जा रहा है. Clear? Sure. अब ध्यान से सुनना, एकदम आराम से, बहुत आराम से. Clear? Sure. तीन चीजें विदाउट टचिंग द इक्वेशन यू कैन डू. चलो दो तो विदाउट टचिंग द इक्वेशन. टू थिंग्स यू कैन फाइंड विदाउट टचिंग द इक्वेशन. व्हाट आर द टू थिंग्स? लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम एंड इसेंट्रिसिटी. फॉर दैट just ignore everything, only look at these two parts. You will see two numbers which are unequal, yes or no? When two numbers are unequal, obviously one will be bada, one will be chota. Right or not? Clear? So eccentricity is bada number minus big minus small divided by big. यहाँ क्या हुआ, जल्दी बोलो. सही है? बिग लिखा है. स्क्वायर कहाँ लिखा? कहीं स्क्वायर लिखा है? कहीं भी मैंने स्क्वायर लिखा है? कहीं भी मैंने स्क्वायर लिखा है? लिखा है क्या? रूट ऑफ बिग माइनस स्मॉल बाय बिग आएगा. वो सही है, गलत नहीं. सही, ठीक है. वो सही है. क्लियर? बिग बाय स्मॉल बाय बिग. चमका. सो लेंथ ऑफ lattice rectum is into small by root of big. 2 into
1 by root 2.
चमका. चमका. चमका रही. श्योर. क्लियर? चलो. थर्ड थिंग के लिए आपको इक्वेशन को टच करना पड़ेगा. अभी तक यू हैवंट टच द इक्वेशन, नाउ यू विल हैव टू इंडिविजुअली डिफरेंशिएट द x पार्ट एंड y पार्ट. x पार्ट को डिफरेंशिएट किया, व्हाट आई गेट?
2x
put it equal to 0, x equal to 2. Individually differentiate the y part. 4y plus 16 equal to 0, y equal to minus 4. ये जो आया ये है सेंटर ऑफ द एलिप्स. क्या आया? 2, minus 4. चमका. Individually differentiate the x parts and the y part. 2 x parts are there.
Yes, sir.
What is their differentiation? 2x minus 4. Yes or no? Put it equal to 0. You will get a value of x. Individually differentiate the y part. There are 2 y parts. Right or not? Clear? 4y plus 16 equal to 0. You will get a y part. Right? This is nothing but the center. Collection of this x comma y is nothing but the center of the ellipse. Clear? हाँ, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, कोई बोल रहा है. ठीक है. हाँ, ये बात क्यों तुमने नहीं पढ़ी? ससुरे इसेंट्रिसिटी क्या होती है? मैं पूछने वाला था नहीं तुमसे इसेंट्रिसिटी.
पता है सर.
सम रेशियो. वेरी गुड. रेशियो ऑफ डिस्टेंस. हाँ भाई, हो गया. श्योर. भाई मैं एक नया लिख रहा हूँ, ये 3 निकाल के जाओगे. ठीक है. चलो. क्या है वे? तीन चीजें. NLR, इसेंट्रिसिटी एंड सेंटर. बस. अभी नहीं, अभी आएगा. फोकस भी आएगा, वर्टेक्स भी आएगा. राइट? और लेंथ ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस विल आल्सो कम, लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस विल आल्सो कम. एवरीथिंग विल कम. Only these 3 things can be done without least with least disturbance to the equation. ठीक है, with least amount of, तूने क्या कर लिया हाथ में?
ऐसे
Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? ये जो तीन पार्ट है बेटा, they come with least disturbance to the equation. Now beyond this there are few more parts. What are they? Okay, they are the two foci, two vertices. Clear? Sure. Length of major axis and length of minor axis. Clear? Sure. Then equation of directrix and similarly equation of lattice vector. Kabhi till now they have never asked equation of lattice vector, but there is a possibility that a question can be generated. Clear? Sure. खत्म हो गया ये भाई. कोई बात नहीं, डिस्टर्ब मत करो उसको. ब्रेक में बोलना सो जाए आधे घंटे. हाँ, exactly. That's what. In the break, tea break, tell him not to go anywhere. सो जाए चुपचाप पीछे. Clear? Sure. So 6 things are there. For these 6 things, you will have to convert this general equation into standard equation. What I said? You have to convert this general equation into standard equation. अभी पढ़ाओ? पक्का? ब्रेक के बाद रिवाइज. अभी एक बार समझा देना. ये वाला इक्वेशन लिखा हुआ है, फिर से बोलना. ठीक है, लिखा है ना? बोल.
x square plus 2y square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 16y
First,
16y minus 64 equal to 0.
ठीक है. Sure. What was the center बेटा? Sure. तो अब देखो मैं क्या जादू कर रहा हूँ, एकदम आराम से, रिलैक्स. ठीक. x minus h square plus, because in front of x what was written? 1. इसलिए यहाँ भी क्या लिखा हुआ है? 2 into y minus k square, which eventually becomes, clear or not? मैंने minus k ही किया है, but the k is negative, hence it is appearing positive. Clear है? Sure. Oh, good. Like x minus h square. Instead, in front of x square, the coefficient was 1. Hence यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है? 1. कुछ नहीं भी लिखा होगा तो चलेगा. ठीक है? Sure. 2 y square की जगह y minus k square. Understood? Equal to, this number goes this side. अब वो 64 नीचे जाएगा, 1 में जाएगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. कुछ अभी करना है. Compare the yellow equation and white equation. Is there something extra or something less? Please. Alright, compare करो. नहीं है वैसे. क्यों बोलता मैं ये करने को सिर्फ? आराम से देखो. In your मन जो भी गंदगी चल रही है उसको खाली करो, काम की बात सोचो. x square visible. Minus 4x minus 4x visible. Yes or no? 2y square visible. 16. So 2 4y, that is 2ab, and into 2 will become 16y. 16y visible. 64 visible. Now here there is something extra. 2 square, which is 4, is extra here. It's not there. 4 square, 16 into 2, 32 is extra over here. Yes or no? Clear? What I have done is, I have done some makeup here. in order to look it beautiful, I have done some makeup. In that makeup, what have I inserted? I have inserted a 2 square here and a 4 square into 2 here. Maths doesn't work on that. If you have done some makeup on LHS, you have to do the same makeup on
RHS.
तो right, remove नहीं करना भाई.
Natural beauty, sir. Sir, काशी sir, Korean.
Plus 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 4 square.
32.
चमका. Sure. अब ये एक नंबर है. How much is this number?
100.
अरे ऐड करना भाई. 100. So 1 divided by 100 divided by 1. यहाँ पे जो 1 लिखा था उससे डिवाइड किया, क्योंकि यहाँ 1 नहीं लिखा होता तो डिवाइड करना भूलो ना, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. प्लस y plus 4 square divided by 100 divided by 2. So now the standard equation of this ellipse is x minus 2 square by 100. Yes or no? Plus y plus 4 square by root 50 square. Yes or no? Equal to 1. Clear? चमका, पक्का, श्योर, गुड. रुक जाओ भी. So the value of A is 10, the value of B is root 50 or 5 root 2. Yes or no? Clear? So length of major axis is?
120.
Length of minor axis is?
10.
चमका. अभी थोड़ी देर में हम लोग वो भी करेंगे, वर्टेक्स, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एटसेट्रा. ठीक है, वर्टेक्स, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एटसेट्रा. हेलो, हाँ मिहिर. हाँ मिहिर, मेरी क्लास चल रही है बेटा. तेरी क्लास 2 बजे है, 2:30 पर. तो मैं लिंक भेज दूंगा उससे पहले. देखो, ठीक है. श्योर. ठीक है. नो. हाँ हाँ, नहीं नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. टेक केयर. हाँ ठीक है. चमका नहीं चमका. चमका है. तुझे नहीं पता तुझे चमका है, मुझे पता तुझे चमका है. ये नहीं करना. ये देख. हाँ, वो ये वाली इक्वेशन लिखी है भाई. क्या लिखी है? चलो आ जाओ. क्या है?
3x square plus minus 2x minus 24y minus 144.
ठीक है. शॉक करो. मैं शुरू करूँ. तुम लोग 1 मिनट तक कर लो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, सिर्फ स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन बनाओ. मैं फिर से करूँगा. डोंट वरी. What was the center?
2,3.
2,
3 into x minus 2 square plus 4 into y minus 3 square equal to 144. उसके बाद 3 into 2 square 12, 4 into 2 square 36. Clear? ये मिला के हुआ 192. So the equation will look like x minus 2 square upon 192 by 3 plus y minus 3 square by 192 by 4 equal to 1. अभी आगे तुमको थोड़ा बहुत टेबल आता है तो कर सकते हो. हाँ है ना. 3 6 are 18, 3 4 are 12. Yes or no? 4 4 are 16, 8 are 32. Yes or no? Clear? So A equal to 8 and B equal to root 48, which is 4 root 3, right or not? So length of major axis is? Length of minor axis is?
16 and 8.
चमका. अभी फोकस आएगा, वर्टेक्स आएगा, डायरेक्ट्रिक्स आएगा. ठीक है, आएगा, अभी आएगा. रिलैक्स हो जाओ, इतने पे रुक जाओ. श्योर. चमका. यहाँ तक सेफ. इसेंट्रिसिटी रूट ऑफ बड़ा माइनस छोटा अपॉन बड़ा, बिग माइनस स्मॉल बाय बिग, राइट और नॉट? लेटर सेक्टर इज 2 into small divided by root of big. Clear? Sure. Center, differentiate individually the x part, differentiate individually the y part. Put them equal to 0, you will get a value of x, you will get a value of y. That's the center. After center, yes, there is a longer process of converting the general equation into standard equation. Clear or not? Okay? Sure. Good. अभी बचा है जाओ के ब्रेक लेके आओ, we'll continue. ठीक है? Clear? Directrix. Because the denominator of y is greater, so the directrix will be y equal to k plus minus a by e. So k is 3 plus a by e is what? 5 by root 21 by 5. Yes or no? 25 by root 21. So y equal to 3 plus 25 by root 21 and 3 minus 25 by root 21. These are the two directrices. I'll draw also, relax. ये लिख लो पहले, मुझे बताओगे, then I'll draw and I'll explain and show. What you should remember is neutral focus is A into E, neutral vertex is A, neutral directrix is A by E. Based on the which part is greater and what is the center, वहाँ पे हम कुछ कुछ चीजें डालते जाएंगे. Clear or not? Sure. I'll explain more questions. Don't worry. 5 क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व करूंगा, फिर then you will start. Okay? ये लिख लिया? Everyone noted? No. Ready? Sure. हाँ भाई, what was the equation? Bracket x minus 1 bracket close square divided by plus bracket y minus 3 bracket close square divided by 25 equal to दिख रहा है? With ellipse visible, because the denominator of y part is बड़ा, the ellipse is extended toward the y axis. Clear? No doubt? Now, what is the center, beta?
1,3. 1,3.
Visible? Yes or no? और थोड़ा छोटा कर लो, ठीक है? Visible?
Sir.
Sure.
Focus. Focus, sir. 1,3 plus root 21. 1,
1,
3 plus root 21.
3 plus root 21. दो होंगे ना? And 1, 3 minus root 21. ध्यान से देखो, B and C2 focus are visible. Visible? Sure. दिख रहा है? Sure. Clear? Vertices. 1, 8 and 1, minus 2. Visible? D and E are the vertices. Visible है? Clear? Okay? हिलाना मत रहे उसका. Good. Done? Now, vertex clear? Okay? Directrix. x equal to or y equal to? Very good. Y equal to 3 plus, okay, 3 plus 25 by root 21. And another y is equals to
3 minus 25.
3 minus 25 by root 21. ठीक, देखो यार से, the two black lines are the directrices, D and E are the vertices, B and C are the focus, foci. Clear or not? Sure. ठीक है, आएगा भी लेटर सेक्टर में. चमका, एक क्वेश्चन और लिखो. Ready? Sure. Bhai log, please settle down. X minus कुछ भी हवाबाजी करो. फाइव एक्स स्क्वायर 14y स्क्वायर, नहीं यार ज्यादा होगी, गंदगी होगी. 16y स्क्वायर 25x स्क्वायर प्लस 16y स्क्वायर 50x प्लस 64y. कुछ भी नंबर बोल दो. हाँ
69.
What are we supposed to do?
सब कुछ. This is everything associated with an ellipse. आराम से take your time. I have solved. Did you get it? तू बैठा हुआ है भाई, आगे सबसे आगे. Done? और करें. हाँ बोलो बोलो. हाँ तो बताओ, out of 90 by 16 and 90 by 25, which one number is greater? The one with the smaller denominator is greater, right? Not. हाँ है ना? If two numerators are same, of two fractions, the numerators are same, then the one with the smaller denominator is greater, right or not? So 90 by 16 is greater than 90 by 25. Hence, this ellipse is along the y-axis. Clear? Sure? Because that decision has to be made. Hence only the VFD can be calculated. Because that determines whether the calculation will happen on the x part or on the y part. Clear or not?
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Take your time, take your time. Take your time. क्या? Directrix will come. Lattice rectum is the only parameter which has never been asked till date for equation. Yes, length of lattice rectum is important. Clear? What I have just done is the most difficult possible question which can be asked to you. Okay? Sure? We have calculated everything. Now out of these things, can any one thing or two things can be asked. Clear?
Sir, it's difficult to memorize the formula.
कुछ डिफिकल्टी है ही नहीं, इसलिए वहाँ ए ई ए वाई लिखा हुआ है. वर्टेक्स इज ए, फोकस इज ए ई एंड डायरेक्ट्रिक्स इज ए बाय ई. You have to only remember this. Then remember that this calculation will happen in the part whose denominator is greater, either on the x part or on the y part. That's it. No need to memorize the formula. Clear? देखो, focus is AE, vertex is A and directrix is A by E. Bas, this will stand in x part or y part is decided by the denominator. Whichever denominator will be greater, like here the denominator of the y part is greater. Hence all the calculations are happened on the y part. Yes or no? Yes or no? Suppose I am giving the next question which is going to be on the x part. Okay? Done? Good, 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 good. Just a second guys, we will write another question. Okay? 1x square, which is x square, plus 2y square, plus 4x minus 16y minus 64 equal to 0. अरे लिखने दे भाई, प्रैक्टिस करना है. हाँ. Okay, no. Those who are done with previous question, please note down this equation and start calculation. One second. हाँ बोल.
वो जो इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे, उसमें जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होगा वो a स्क्वायर करना है.
हाँ, the बड़ा denominator is a.
छोटा भी है b.
20. हाँ ठीक है. Guys, 34, 35, 36, 37. शुरू करिए. 34, 35, 36, 37. 34, 35, 36, 37. So you are like कि सर सेंटर तो मजाक मजाक में हो गया सर. 24x plus 24, so x equal to -1, right or not?
Only one option, sir.
Sure, ठीक है. Anyway, let's calculate because we'll use it for further, right? 8y minus 16 equal to 0, so y equal to 2, right or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Length of major axis and minor axis will take time because I have to convert that to standard form. The eccentricity can be done on spot. Root of 12 minus 4, 8 by 12. The root of 4 2s are 3s are. Right or not? Sure? बढ़िया. Coordinate of the focus, okay? Length of major axis and minor axis. तो भैया convert करते हैं. 12 into x minus -1 square plus 4 into y minus 2 square equal to negative 25. Yes, we have to add few things here. 12 into 1 square, 12. 4 into 2 square, 16. So this becomes 28, 25, 3. 3 comes down. So x plus 1 square by 3 by 12, which is 1 by 4, plus y minus 2 square by 3 by 4. Yes or no? Root. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
3 by 4. Who's greater?
Why?
So calculation will happen on the y side, right or not? Major axis is 2 into root 3 by 2, which is root 3, and minor axis is 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1. Root 3 and 1, right? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to find the focus. Focus is A into E. Yes or no? Focus is what? A into E. Who is A? Root 3 by 2. Right or not? What is E? Oh, I haven't calculated the E yet. Right or not? Calculate किया क्या? कितना?
Root 2 by 3. 2 by 3, sir.
Root 2 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 by root 2 is present here and here. But h comma k
-1.
plus 1 nahi. -1 comma 2. Yes. Clear? Sure? Pakka? Now one more thing beautiful here to observe is, if they are only asking vertex or focus, you don't have to go all this way because that will be a lengthy solution. What you should use your options for is, who is the midpoint for focus? Center. Center. Yes or no? Here there are two foci given. It is 0, 1 plus x and 0, 1 minus x. Right? I am saying this is x. Clear? They are 2 points. What is their midpoint, beta? A plus b by 2. A plus b by 2. Yes or no? तो इसका midpoint क्या है? 0, 1. क्या ये center है?
No, sir.
इसका midpoint क्या है? 1, 2. क्या ये center है? इसका midpoint क्या है? 0, 2. क्या ये center है? इसका midpoint क्या है? -1, 2. Is it the center? Yes. So suppose only this question would have been asked, then I don't have to do all this conversion and all. Looking at the center, I can tell which one is the right focus, or which one is the right vertex, or which one is the right directrix. Clear? चमक रहा है बात? Clear? Sure? Okay? Sure? फिर से देखो बेटा, suppose you have only one question, that big equation and this. So the first thing you will do, you will find center. Clear? Now you have got two ways. If your all options are different, then you have to only check that which option will deliver me the center as its midpoint. क्या बोला? Center as its midpoint. So we have the center. We can calculate center quickly. Like here we have quickly calculated -1, 2. So set of focus points which will give you midpoint as -1, 2 is your right answer. You tried with first one. 0, 1 with something. So there are 2 points. 0, 1 plus something and 0, 1 minus something, right? So if I find their midpoint, a1 x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 is 2, 2 by 2 1. So you realize क्या यही आया मिड पॉइंट, राइट और नॉट? सो इसका मिड पॉइंट क्या आएगा 1,2. What will be the midpoint? 0,2. What will be the midpoint? -1,2. Clear? So what is the center? -1,2. So which one is the right answer? Delta. Understood or not? Clear? Sure?
Sure, sir.
Pakka? Come to hyperbola.